Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best fireplace glass cleaner is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked products for anyone who enjoys the cozy ambience of a wood-burning stove or fireplace, as it directly impacts the visual appeal and safety of your heating source, ensuring that the glass remains crystal clear to enjoy the mesmerizing dance of flames without the obstruction of soot and creosote buildup, which not only enhances the aesthetic but also allows for better heat radiation into your home. Number 5. Weiman Hardwood Floor Cleaner and Polish Combo. Tired of dull, scratched hardwood floors? Our advanced formula brings back the natural shine you love. It's designed to make your floors look their best. Keep your busy home looking pristine with ease. This cleaner is perfect for high-traffic areas, tackling dirt and grime without hassle. Enjoy a cleaner home with minimal effort. Don't let minor scratches diminish your floor's beauty. Our powerful solution effectively removes unsightly scratches. Watch as your floors transform and regain their original charm. Protect your investment for the long haul. It leaves behind a durable, protective layer that guards against future damage. Your floors will stay beautiful for years to come. Experience the ultimate care for your hardwood floors. This combo offers comprehensive cleaning and restoration in one. Give your floors the attention they deserve. Get more value with this convenient 2-pack. You'll have plenty to keep your entire home looking its best. Enjoy a brilliant shine throughout your living space. What we like. This product is designed to restore the natural shine of your hardwood floors. It also leaves a protective layer to prevent future damage. If you have high-traffic hardwood floors that are looking dull or scratched, you should consider this. What people say. It cleans the glass on my wood burner very well. It removed the soot and creosote from the glass doors of my fireplace. Number 4. Weiman Ceramic and Glass Cooktop Cleaner. Introducing the Weiman Ceramic and Glass Cooktop Cleaner. It's a powerful solution designed to tackle even the toughest messes on your cooktop. This heavy-duty cleaner is formulated to cut through grease, burnt-on food, and other stubborn residues. You can achieve a spotless finish with ease. Each bottle comes with 3 scrubbing pads, perfect for gently yet effectively removing stuck-on grime. They are designed to protect your cooktop surface. Not only does it clean, but it also polishes your cooktop, leaving it looking like new. Enjoy a brilliant shine after every use. Maintaining a clean and beautiful cooktop has never been easier. This cleaner is your go-to solution for everyday spills and tough, baked-on messes. Trust Weiman for all your cleaning needs. This cooktop cleaner delivers exceptional results, keeping your kitchen looking its best. What we like. This is a heavy-duty cleaner specifically for ceramic and glass cooktops. It comes with scrubbing pads to tackle tough messes and leaves a polished finish. If you're dealing with burnt-on food or stubborn grease on your cooktop, this is the one for you. What people say. This cleaner is very effective at removing soot and creosote buildup from fireplace glass. It leaves the glass crystal clear without any streaks or residue. The spray application makes it easy to cover the entire glass surface evenly. Number 3. Weiman Cooktop Cleaning Spray and Microfiber Cloth. Introducing the Weiman Cooktop Cleaning Spray and Microfiber Cloth. Achieve a spotless shine with this powerful, non-abrasive formula. Our specially designed cleaner cuts through grease and grime, leaving your cooktop free from streaks and stubborn residue. It's safe for all glass and ceramic surfaces. This non-abrasive degreaser works effectively without scratching your delicate cooktop. Enjoy a brilliant clean every time. The convenient 2-pack includes a high-quality microfiber cloth for polishing. It's the perfect duo for maintaining a pristine kitchen. Worry-free cleaning is here. This cleaner is formulated to be safe for your glass and ceramic cooktops, ensuring no damage. Not just for cooktops, this versatile cleaner is also effective for your oven. Tackle tough messes with ease and restore its original gleam. What we like. This product offers a streak-free shine with its daily cleaning formula. It comes with a microfiber cloth for easy buffing. If you want a quick and easy way to maintain a spotless cooktop after everyday use without any residue, this is a great choice. What people say. This cleaner is very effective at removing soot and creosote buildup from fireplace glass. It leaves the glass sparkling clean without any streaks or residue. The product is easy to use and requires minimal scrubbing. Number 2. Weiman Cooktop Cleaning Spray and Microfiber Cloth. Introducing the Weiman Cooktop Cleaning Spray and Microfiber Cloth. This powerful duo makes cleaning your cooktop a breeze, cutting through grease and grime with ease. This award-winning formula is designed to tackle daily buildup and tough splatters. It effectively removes food residue and oily film without harsh scrubbing. Achieve a spotless, streak-free finish with no cloudy film or sticky residue. Simply spray, wipe, and buff for a brilliant shine. Our non-abrasive formula is safe for a variety of surfaces, including glass, ceramic, and induction cooktops. It cleans effectively without damaging delicate finishes. Experience a powerful clean that's gentle on your appliances. It's perfect for regular use to maintain the beauty of your cooktop and other kitchen surfaces. This cleaner is specifically designed to enhance the cleanliness and shine of your surfaces. It's your go-to solution for a sparkling kitchen. What we like. This product offers a streak-free shine with its daily cleaning formula. It comes with a microfiber cloth for easy buffing. If you want a quick and easy way to maintain a spotless cooktop after everyday use without any residue, this is a great choice. What people say. It works very well and cleans the glass on my wood-burning stove. This cleaner is very effective at removing soot and creosote buildup from fireplace glass. The product is easy to use and leaves the glass sparkling clean without streaks. Number 1. Weiman Glass and Ceramic Cooktop Cleaner Kit. Introducing the Weiman Glass and Ceramic Cooktop Cleaner Kit. It's designed to tackle burnt-on food and grease, leaving your cooktop spotless. This all-in-one kit includes a powerful cleaning cream, scrubbing pads, and a scraper. You'll have everything you need for a deep clean. Achieve a brilliant shine with ease. It effectively removes tough messes without scratching your delicate cooktop surfaces. Worry-free cleaning is here. It's safe for use on induction, electric, and gas cooktops, ensuring versatility for any kitchen. Restore the beauty of your kitchen with this essential cleaner. It makes maintaining a pristine cooktop simpler than ever before. What we like. This is a comprehensive kit designed to tackle even the most stubborn burnt-on food and grease. It includes a scraper for tough spots and a cream cleaner for a brilliant shine. If you're facing heavily soiled cooktops and need a complete solution with tools to get the job done, this kit is ideal. What people say. This cleaner is very effective at removing soot and creosote buildup from fireplace glass. It leaves the glass sparkling clean without any streaks or residue. The product is easy to use and requires minimal scrubbing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.